How to download and install the Ally Bank app on Android. This tutorial shows you how to find and install the official Ally Bank app on your Android device. First, open the Play Store on your Android device. After that, tap on the search icon at the bottom center of the screen. From there, tap on the search bar at the top and type in Ally Bank. At this point, tap on Ally Bank from the search results to open the app page. In the next step, before tapping install, make sure you are downloading the correct and official app. Check that it is published by Ally Financial and verify the download count. Following this particular app is from Ally Financial and has over 1 million downloads, confirming it is the genuine and trusted app. Once done, tap on install and wait for the app to finish downloading and installing on your device. From here, once the installation is complete, tap on Open to launch the app. Finally, log in using your Ally Bank credentials, and you will have full access to your account and all the banking features directly from your Android device. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you download and install the Ally Bank app, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.